Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to upload an IGTV video on Instagram. If you're using Instagram and you want to upload an IGTV video on Instagram, so let's see how can you do that. So very first I recommend you have to try to update your Instagram app. So you have to simply open your App Store or Play Store, go for search, and you have to simply search for Instagram, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Instagram app. If you find any pending updates, you just have to try to update your app. So after updating, you have to simply go back, open your Instagram app, and here just tap on your profile option in the bottom right. And here just tap on the plus option in the top left. And here you can see that we haven't any option to add IGTV. But you can still add an IGTV by using this post option. So select post. Now in post, you have to try to add a video up to 1 minute. So you just have to select a video from your gallery, or you can also record it. So let's say I want to select the camera option to record a video here, or just tap on this album option or the gallery option to select a video from your gallery. So once you have selected the video, just tap on the next option here. You can see that there's a video up to more than 1 minute. So just select the next option here. Now on this page, you can do editings to your video if you want to. So once you have edited, just tap on this next option here, and here just tap on share, and your video will be shared. Now you can see that the video is still posting. So after posting your video, you'll see this IGTV option in your profile that your video you have posted has posted as an IGTV. So in order to post an IGTV video, you have to post a video longer than 1 minute, or it's minimum it's more than 1 minute. So in this way, you can easily upload an IGTV video on your Instagram profile. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.